Today was a great day. I was talking about how we were in there tearing stuff up. And that was all Dometic stuff, right? In the afternoon, we went back and we dug into the Norcold control board, and we dug into how they work. And they're a little bit different, but all the components are generally the same. It's not anything too crazy. Tomorrow, we're gonna be getting into, they're gonna bug them, and we're gonna have to diagnose them ourselves. We start off with about 3 different things wrong with it, and you gotta find them and repair them. And you just keep moving around between all those refrigerators I showed you earlier. You just keep moving around and repairing them. So it's gonna be a lot of fun. And that's pretty much all we do all day. And then Thursday, they're gonna make it even more challenging. And then I've been told that we end up having to basically put an entire refrigerator back together again and make it work. By the time this week is done, we will have repaired approximately 100 refrigerators and problems. That gives me some confidence if I'm gonna go out and start a business, don't you think? I think this is gonna prepare me pretty well for getting out there and actually diagnosing and repairing refrigerators. Kind of looking forward to it. I think it's gonna be a fun time. Don't forget, subscribe down below, I appreciate it. It's gonna be a fun journey. These advanced classes are awesome. Every day that I'm here and going through these classes, I get more confident in my ability to repair RVs and even make a business of it. When I first thought of coming here, I was thinking, there's no way I'm gonna learn enough to start a business and be confident to go out on my own to repair RVs. Even after fundamentals, I was like, I don't know if that's gonna be enough. And it's not, it's probably not enough to go start your own business, at least not a full-on repair business. But it is enough to get you ready for these advanced classes, and these advanced classes are insane so far. I mean, I can only go off what I've experienced so far, so I think it's gonna be great to get me ready. The nervousness of, oh, am I gonna be ready to start my own business by the time I'm done with this class? That nervousness is quickly dissipating, going away. There is so much they do to get you ready here. It's awesome. Terry Lewis, our instructor, is just so knowledgeable. All right, well, better get back and eat some dinner and get this video edited.